Hi my dear students, today we will discuss about bit manipulation instruction. Last class I discussed about arithmetic instructions, right? So now we will go for bit manipulation instructions, or we can call it as logical instructions. In this one, the first one is not. Syntax is not source. That means what? It complements each bit of source to produce one's complement of the specified operand. Right? Suppose let us consider the operand can be a register or memory location. The operand can be a register or memory location. Simply if you give move AL comma 00H we are giving. Right? Now we perform not AL. That means what? It performs one's complement 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. One's complement is the output is, and the result will be stored in AL. The result will be stored in AL. Right? Now, second one. First one is what? Now. Second one is AND. The second one is what? AND. Now coming to the AND, what is the syntax? Coming to the syntax. And see destination comma source and destination comma source. It perform AND operation of destination and source. Source can be an immediate number or register or memory location, but register can be a register or a memory location. See, source may be a number, immediate number, or register or memory location, but destination can be a register or memory location. But both operands cannot be a memory locations. Remember, both operands cannot be a memory location. Both operands cannot be memory locations at the same time. Memory locations at the same time. Right? So which flags will be becomes 0? Carry flag and overflow flag become 0 after the operation, and the parity flag and sign flag and 0 flag are updated. Parity flag, sign flag and 0 flag are updated. Right? So simple. What we can go for example? If we go for example, see what are the flags are both 0. Carry flag and overflow flag are both 0, and after AND operation. And performing a parity flag, sign flag and 0 flag are updated by the AND instruction. Right? So coming to the example, AND BH comma CL. That means AND operation performs AND operation by in CL with BH, and the result will be stored in BH. The result will be stored in BH. Otherwise you can write like this also. AND BX comma with immediate number 0 0 double FH 0 0 double FH. It will perform AND operation between these two, BX and 0. Right? So what is the AND operation? You please tell me. A B Y 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. That means 0 0 0. When both are 1, then only the output is 1. That is AND operation. It performs simply AND operation. Right? Suppose if the BX is 1 1 1 1, BX is 1 1 1 1. And it is 0 0 FF. First we should convert these numbers into binary. First we should convert into binary 1 1 1 0 0 FF. Right? How we can write 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 F 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. Now perform AND operation. When both are 1, then only 1. When both are 1, then only. Otherwise, all are 0, 0, 0, 0. So, what is the output? 0, 0, 1, 1. So, the answer is what? 1, 1. Then again, the result will be stored in where? The result will be stored in BX. The result will be stored in BX. This is also 16-bit number. Right? In this way, we have to perform AND operation. Right? Next, same R. R operation. What is the syntax? Same syntax, that is R destination comma source. or destination comma source. Now, so in the R, so source can be a same immediate number, a register or memory location. Destination can be a register or memory location, and same. Both operands cannot be a memory location at the same time. So what are the becomes 0 after the operation? After operation, carry flag and overflow flag becomes 0. Becomes 0 after operation. After the operation. Which flags will be updated? Parity flag, sign flag, and 0 flags are updated. 0 flags are updated. Right? Now coming to the example. Same example. OR AH comma CL. R operation now. So R operation is what? A B Y 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Right? When both are 0, then output is 0. Otherwise 1. Output is 1. So AH comma CL. Or we can write like this also. Or using pointer also. BP comma SA. Then we can also use this. This is about R operation. Simple same like this operation only we can see. When both are 0, then output will be 1. Otherwise it will be, when both are 0, the output is 0. Otherwise output will be 1. Next is XR. Perform XR. So syntax is XR destination comma source. Destination comma source. So which flags will be affected? You please tell me. So destination can be register or memory location. Source may be immediate number or register or memory location. And both operands cannot be a memory location. And carry flag, overflow flag becomes 0 after the operation. And what are the flags will be updated? Parity flag, sign flag, and 0 flags are updated. Right? Now we'll go for example. XR example. Right? Simple. Same. XR CL comma BH. That means BH exclusive R with byte in CL. Result will be stored in CL, but BH is not unchanged. BH not is changed. BH will be not changed. Right? That is. Now coming to the next instruction. That is compare. That is what? CMP. Compare. Syntax is compare destination comma source. Compare destination comma source. The source can be a immediate number, a register or memory location, and destination can be a register memory location. And next, what I told, source and destination cannot be a memory location. These 3 points you remember in each instruction. Comparison is actually done by subtracting the source byte or word from the destination byte or word. The source and destinations are not changed, but the flags are set to indicate the result of the comparison. Remember, the source and destination will not be changed after performing this, executing this instruction. What will be affected? Only the flags will be affected. So what are the flags will be affected? Auxiliary flag, overflow flag. What are the flags? Auxiliary flag, overflow flag, sign flag, 0 flag, parity flag, and carry flag are updated by the compare instruction. Right? For the compare instructions. Right? Suppose this is, so what is the syntax? Syntax is simple. Compare AL comma 0 1. Compare AL comma 0. That means it compares 0 1 with byte in AL. Compares 0 1 with AL. That is, so what is the happen? So compare AL with 0 1. That is about the compare instruction. Now coming to the next instruction, that is rotate and shift instructions. That is what? Rotate and shift instructions. This is also comes under bit manipulation instructions. So that is first one. That is what? Shift and rotate instruction. Shift and rotate instructions. First one is shift left, SHL, shift left, destination comma count. How many bits we have to shift? It shifts the bits of byte or word by left, by count. Left, shift left, that means it goes left by count 1. So it puts 0 in LSB. LSB in LSB it becomes 0. So MSB is shifted into the MSB position. This last bit position is shifted to carry flag. The last position is shifted to where? Carry flag. Right? Suppose let us consider some 8-bit number. Some 8-bit number. 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. Now perform shift left operation. Then this 1 will come here. This 0 will come here. This 1 will come here. This 0 will come here. 0 0 and 1. What about MSB? What about here in MSB place? What happened? The MSB place you put 0 and this one will goes to where? Carry flag. Then this carry flag will becomes 1. Okay? This is called shift left operation. This is shift left operation. We have to give count. LSB is put to 0 and MSB is shifted into carry flag. If the number of bits desired to be shifted is 1, then the immediate number 1 can be written in count. However, the number of bits to be shifted is more than 1, then count is put in CL register. Remember, count 1 is okay. If your count is 1, you can write. Otherwise, you can write in count is in CL equal to 3. That means move CL comma 0 3H. Then you write shift left AX comma shift left AX comma CL. Shift left AX comma CL. Right? So the count is given in the CX. That means CX is used for the register. CX is used for the counter. CX is used as a counter. CX register. Right? Now coming to the next instruction. Now coming to the next instruction, that is shift right. Same SHR. Shift right. Syntax is shift right destination comma count. Shift right destination comma count. Same, it puts 0 in MSB, LSB. So now we have to shift towards this. What about in this MSB place? What will be? We have to put 0. This LSB goes to where? This LSB goes to carry flag. This LSB goes to carry flag. Right? Suppose let us consider. Now perform shift right operation. So 0 here, 1 0 0 1 0 and 0. This will goes to carry flag. This will goes to carry flag 0. What about MSB? MSB put 0. MSB put 0. Right? Initially what is the number? 0 1 0 0 means 4 and this is 8. Now after performing shift right operation, what is the count? 2 4. So before it is 48 H, now it is 24 H. 48 H, now it is 24 H. Right? Same. If the 1 bit count is 1, then you directly write 1. If there more than 1, then you have to put it into CL. You have to put it in the CL. Right? That is. Now, shift right, shift left. Now, coming to the next one, rotate instruction. Shift and rotate. So, now coming to the rotate instructions. Rotate instructions. ROL, that means what? Rotate left. Syntax is rotate left destination comma count. Rotate left destination comma count. It rotates bits of byte word left by count. We have to give count. If the count is more than 1, then you have to put the count into CL register. Remember, already I am telling CL. Right? So now rotate left. Let us consider one example. Simply I will take 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. You perform rotate left operation, right? When you are performing rotate left operation, this MSB is transferred to where? LSB. MSB is transferred to LSB, and to LSB and also to carry flag. LSB and MSB is transferred to LSB and also to carry flag, right? Suppose you perform rotate left operation. This is 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. What about this one? This one will goes to 1 here, and carry flag also set to 1. Carry flag is also set to 1, right? See, what is the syntax? Suppose for example, if you give like this, rotate left, what is 1011? A5 by 1h. Rotate left A5 by 1h. That means what? That means what will be the output? This is 6 and this is A. The answer is 6A. Is 6A. Right? So, after performing this, what happened? If the number of bits is desired to be shifted by 1, then immediate number 1 can be written in the count. You have to write in the count 1. If you want to rotate 2 positions, ROL, remember, ROL A5 comma CL, where you have to give move CL comma 0 2 bits. I want to increment by 2, right? Next, the same manner, next, rotate right ROR. What is the syntax? The syntax is ROR destination comma count. ROR destination comma count. Same. LSB is transferred to MSB now. LSB is transferred to MSB and also to CF. Remember, also to carry flag. Right? ROR same. A5 ROR A5 comma 1H. Right? A5 means how much? 8421. Zero one zero one 0101. Now we perform rotate right operation. Rotate right. This one will come here, and this also goes to carry. You want to perform 2 bits rotate right, 2 bits. Then you have to write move to the CL. This is about bit manipulation instruction. Right? Dear students, please try to understand all these instructions. With the program, I will explain each and everything in the next class. Right? Thank you.